going to show you how to do a puppet show of the 3 billy goats Gruff. First, I will show you the puppet show, and then I'll show you how you can make it. Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats Gruff. There was the little billy goat Gruff. Hello, I'm the little billy goat Gruff. There was the middle billy goat Gruff. Hello, I'm the middle billy goat Gruff. And then there was the biggest billy goat Gruff. Hello, I'm the biggest billy goat Gruff. All of the billy goat Gruffs love to eat green grass. It was their favorite thing. But wait a minute. They had eaten so much green grass that it was all brown and yucky. Ugh! This is terrible grass. I would love to go to the other side of this bridge where there's green grass. The only problem was that under the bridge lived a mean old troll. Hello, I'm the mean old troll. I do not let anyone cross my bridge. But one day, the little billy goat Gruff decided to give it a try. He was so hungry for that green grass. Boo! Ah! Stop! Who are you? I'm the littlest billy goat Gruff. I'm going over to eat some green grass. Well, I'm going to eat you up. No! Don't eat me! Yes, I'm very hungry. I want to eat you up. No, don't eat me. My bigger brother is coming, and he is yummier than I am. As yummy as a cupcake? Oh, yes, he's so delicious. Okay, well, go on ahead. Next, the middle billy goat Gruff decided that he wanted to eat some green grass too. So he started across the bridge. Boo! Ah! Who are you? I'm the middle billy goat Gruff. Well, you can't go across this bridge. I'm going to eat you up. You can't eat me. My bigger brother is coming along, and he is yummier than I am. Really? Is he as yummy as Oreos? Oh, yes, he's so yummy, just like Oreos. Oh, okay, you can go across. Thank you so much. And the middle billy goat Gruff went across the bridge to eat some green grass. Next, the biggest billy goat Gruff looked across the way and thought he needed some of that green grass. He was going to go across too. Boo! Yes. Stop! Yes. Who are you? I'm the biggest billy goat Gruff, and I'm going across this bridge to eat some green grass. No, you're not. I'm going to eat you up. Well, come and get me." And the troll ran to the big billy goat Gruff, and the billy goat Gruff raised up and hit the troll with his big horns, and the troll went flying into the water. Splash! And the big billy goat Gruff went across the bridge. And the 3 billy goats Gruff ate the green grass and were never bothered by the troll again. Now it's your turn. You can make your puppets and your scenery, and then your stage. Let's start with the scenery. Here is the brown grass that the goats had eaten until it was so brown and yucky. Color that one in with a brown color. Then you can get a green color and color the green grass that's on the other side of the bridge. Next, you can color the bridge and then the water down below. Then get some scissors and cut it all apart so that you have the water, the bridge, and your 2 different types of grass. Next, color your puppets. You can even paste them or tape them on a stick. You can use a stick or a cardboard. This is the really fun part, making the stage. You can use magnetiles, blocks, Legos. You can even use books or Kleenex boxes. Anything that will help you make a bridge. So here are my 2 supports for the bridge. I'm building them so that they're really strong, and then I put my box on top. I have a place under the box where the troll lives. Then I can tape or paste my bridge on, and then there's the water and the grass below. After you make your stage and your puppets, you are ready to do a show. Here's another version of the 3 billy goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats Gruff. There was the little billy goat Gruff. "Hello, I'm the littlest billy goat Gruff." There was the middle billy goat Gruff. "Hello, I'm the middle billy goat Gruff." And then there was the biggest billy goat Gruff of all. "Hello, I'm the biggest billy goat Gruff." All 3 billy goats love to eat green grass. But wait a minute, that grass isn't green. Ew, it's yucky and brown. They had eaten so much of the green grass that it turned all brown. They looked to the other side of the river where there was wonderful green grass, and they really wanted to go across the bridge and get it. The only problem was that under the bridge there lived a mean old troll. "Boo! I'm the mean old troll." But one day, the littlest billy goat Gruff decided he'd had enough of this brown grass. Yucky. And he decided to go across the bridge. "Boo! Ah! Stop!" "Oh, okay." "Who are you?"
"I'm the littlest billy goat Gruff. I'm going across to the other side.
to eat some green grass.
Nope, I'm going to eat you up.
No, don't eat me up. My brother's coming along and he's much tastier than I am.
How tasty?
Oh, he tastes like chocolate cake with chocolate icing.
That sounds really good. Okay, you can go across.
And the little billy goat Gruff went across the bridge, and he ate some green grass. Oh, so yummy. Next, the middle brother came along. He wanted some green grass too, so he decided to walk across the bridge.
Boo! Ah! Stop! Who are you?
I'm the middle billy goat Gruff, and I'm going across the bridge to eat some green grass.
Nope. I want to eat you up.
Oh, no, don't eat me. My biggest brother is coming along, and he is so much tastier than me.
Really? How tasty?
Do you like pizza with pepperoni?
Yum.
He tastes exactly like that.
Oh, okay. I'll wait till he comes along.
Go on across. And the middle billy goat Gruff went across the bridge. And he ate the green grass. Next, the biggest billy goat Gruff decided he wanted some of that green grass, and he wanted to go across the bridge too.
Boo! Yes? Stop! No, I'm going across to eat the green grass. But I'm going to eat you up. No, I'm too big and strong for you. Besides, I don't taste very good.
What? I heard you tasted like pizza with pepperoni.
Nope, I'm just a big old goat.
But you know what tastes better than anything else in the whole world? What? Green grass. Why don't you come along with us and eat some green grass? See if you like it. What? I'm a troll. I don't eat green grass. Oh, come on. You should just try it. Plus, we'd be happy to be your friend. Looks like you don't have very many. Will you be our friend?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, come on.
Oh, okay, I'll try.
And the troll and the biggest billy goat Gruff went across the bridge, and the troll tried some green grass, and he found it to be quite delightful and quite yummy. And the three billy goats Gruff and the troll lived happily ever after. The